Welcome back here on Good Day Kansas. Our show rolls along today from the studio. We're talking all about Medicare and how Inspired Advisors can help you with this process. You're going to want someone licensed to be able to help you in just a few weeks whenever the open enrollment happens. We have Abigail with us, Abigail Turner. She is the owner of Inspired Advisors, but we also have Deanna with us. She is one of Abigail's clients. We're really excited to hear about her and how Abigail has helped her through the last few years. Thanks for being with us today, ladies.
Thank you.
So Abigail, let's start off with you. Tell us about why it's important to have someone walk you through that Medicare process.
Honestly, it's to have an advocate. You know, it's to have that person that's unbiased, independent, can look at all of your options and make sure that you're getting the best, you're making the best choice for you, and don't have to guess that, don't have to wonder about that.
Yeah, absolutely. And Deanna, for you, what was it like working with Abigail and her team?
You know, it gave me and gave my husband a lot of confidence in knowing that our options were being explored thoroughly, and that we knew we could pick something with that confidence and know that all the options were out there. She was meeting our needs specifically according to what our individual, you know, use of physicians, our health care, medications, all of that. She looked at the whole picture and let us do that.
Yeah. Before meeting with Abigail, did you maybe feel a little overwhelmed with the options and just kind of what there is out there?
Yeah, certainly. You know, you're inundated with the commercials, of course, with lots of information about Medicare. And I actually work in healthcare, so I had been exposed to a lot of people who had been confused about what their insurance was, and nobody wants to come up surprised about, you know, what's going to be covered. And you don't want to be in a bad situation where all of a sudden you know something isn't going to be covered. And so knowing that we have that confidence in talking with someone who has explored all that, and they can help us choose the best option.
Yeah, nobody wants to be caught off guard with anything, but certainly when it comes to Medicare, you definitely don't want to. For some of our viewers out there that maybe go about this by themselves, or maybe use a close friend or something like that, why should they go to an agent or somebody that does this full-time like Abigail and Inspired Advisors?
Yeah, I mean, I think unless you have a really good knowledge of Medicare and you've done all the research and you understand the options out there, I would say you're going to take a gamble if you just kind of choose something on your own. And then you really risk the likelihood of all of a sudden finding out that something that you thought was going to be covered is not.
Yeah, I like that wording of gamble. You don't want to be gambling when it comes to things like this. Abigail, how can our viewers get a hold of you guys and be like Deanna and start being a client with you?
Yeah, absolutely. So you can reach out via phone, via email, via website, so inspiredadvisors.com. Our office phone number, 316-369-5253. We would love to help.
Absolutely. Deanna, thanks for sharing your story. Abigail, thanks for being with us as well. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yep, we have more Good Day Kansas coming up right after this.